Ready to stop chasing leads and start closing deals on autopilot. First, hover over the Marketing tab in your Kvcore dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Click on Marketing Autopilot, and then select Start a Campaign. Now, explore the campaign marketplace. You can choose from pre-built campaigns designed for different lead types, or create your own from scratch. Let's pick a template for now, say, a new listing announcement. Click the Add Campaign button to select your desired template. This is where you tailor the campaign to your specific needs. Give your campaign a descriptive name, adjust the trigger to match your lead source, and customize the email, text, and task templates to reflect your brand and message. Click on an email or text template to edit it. Personalize the subject line and body with compelling content. Use merge fields to automatically insert lead-specific information, like their name or the property they inquired about. Head over to automation. Here you can define the timing and order of your follow-up, set delays between emails and texts, and even add tasks for yourself, like calling the lead after they've viewed a property. Specify your target audience. Use filters like lead type, location, and activity to ensure your campaign reaches the right people. Segmenting your audience is key for campaign success. Review all your settings one last time, and when you're satisfied, hit the Activate Campaign button. Your campaign is now live and working for you. Remember to regularly monitor your campaign's performance in the dashboard. Track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to optimize your campaigns and maximize your ROAS. Start automating your lead nurturing today and watch your business grow.